Hello everyone, welcome to Nail Art channel. Today I am teaching you rubber ducky nail art design step by step guide. An extremely cute design. You will love showing off your new bathtub friend. Step number 1. Start by painting your nails with a light pink nail polish. Step number 2. Using a dotting tool and a blue nail polish. Create various sizes of dots on all your nails except the ring fingers. These will be soap bubbles. Step number 3. Using a nail art brush and a yellow nail polish. Create a half circle shape on the ring finger. Step number 4. Using the same tool and nail polish, draw a circle of duck's head on one side of the half circle. Step number 5. Using a nail art brush and an orange nail polish, draw the beak sticking out of the head. Step number 6. With a nail art brush and the white nail polish, add a small curved line to the bubbles to suggest a shine. Step number 7. With the same tool and nail polish, create a large oval for a bar of soap on the thumbnail. Step number 8. Using a dotting tool and a black nail polish, place a small black dot on the duck's head to make an eye. Step number 9. Using the same tool and the orange nail polish, add the outline of a wing in the center of the body. Step number 11. Finally apply a top coat to your nails to seal in the design. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like, please subscribe and like my video. Thank you very much. Bye.